Good afternoon, folks. I am the Space Cowboy, and right now, for you guys, I'm going to risk life and limb with this running chainsaw. Check it out. That was close. But things just get better. Warming up. Relax, I've done this before. Here we go. Awesome. Check it out. 2 balls, 1 chainsaw, and 1 very stupid idea. I'll tell you what. The more noise you guys make, the crazier these tricks are going to get. Come on, people! Make some noise! Wow! Here we go! Come on, people! The higher it goes! Give it up, people! Yeah! Wow! Alright, now folks, as you heard, I do actually hold a bunch of Guinness World Records. 27 to be precise. And about 2 months ago in London, I got the world record for chainsaw juggling back crosses. And right now, for you guys, I'm going to attempt to break that record right here. Now, I'll tell you what, the record consists of the 2 balls being juggled in the front. Every throw and every catch of the chainsaw needs to be thrown behind the back consecutively. Now, folks, just in case there's any skeptics in the crowd, everything you see in this show is real. Bring it out, Lizard. Check this out. It's real, it's live, and it's bloody dangerous. Here we go. Chainsaw juggling, back cross, world record attempt. Do you want to see it? Wait. If that's what you've got, I'm not going to do it. Do you want to see it? Awesome. This is it.
Okay, here's how it goes. He can't count and juggle at the same time, so we have to count for him. 10 throws behind the back, and he's equalled a world record. Here we go. Get ready to count.
Here we go.
1, 2, 3. Three's nowhere near it. But world records don't come easy. We'll give you another chance.
Make some noise!
1, 2, 3. Oh! Only 3 again. That's twice you've done 3. You can't nearly get there, can't you? He's going to try. Okay, wait a sec, wait. He's just been juggling that thing for, I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes now. His arms are pretty tight. I reckon I'm just going to give him, I don't know, 30 seconds or something to take a breath, calm down and try again. And I'll tell you what, just in that, while he's doing it, check this out. For the first time ever, we have Sideshow show bags. So what that means is, you can come up to the stage afterwards, come up to that set of stairs there, and for $10, you'll get the Sideshow show bag. It's got over $30 worth of stuff in it, and today they're only a tenner. If you come and get one, if you buy one, you then get invited up on the stage where you can where you can get a photo with the Lizard Man and with Captain Frodo. So I'll just leave that there. That should be long enough. How are you feeling?
Alright, let's do this before I lose my nerve.
Okay, cool. You know what we want from you? We want a big, loud count.
Third time lucky, and fourth time embarrassing. Are you ready? Come on, people. Oh.
So here we go. Let's do it. Let's do it. Everybody counts with every throw behind the back.
Oh, yeah.
Here we go. Good luck, Cowboy.
Come on, people! Wait for it. Here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There it is, ladies and gentlemen.
I did it! Come on, people!
11 throws and punches.
yeah.
You just witnessed a new world record, and you saw it right here at the Psycho Sideshow. So everybody, one more time for the Space Cowboy!